An aviation company shut down overnight, with bankruptcy, court orders, and dozens of services that needed to be unwound fast. Out of that shutdown came two new airline companies, both rebuilding with lean teams and limited IT staff. As these airlines rebuilt, their teams were dealing with shared licenses, shared vendors, and complex cost allocation. And that's where things usually break. This wasn't a buying cycle, it was damage control. We came in and we showed them how to centralize purchasing, assign costs accurately, and manage everything, including assets and orders, through a single system. What they bought wasn't just a tool, they bought simplicity. Customers come to us when managing network and mobile becomes harder than the technology itself. When the problem is coordination, visibility, and ownership, that's our sweet spot. When customers need control, clarity, and a path forward, that's where VCOM fits best. Thanks for watching Inside the Win. Stay tuned for more stories, strategies, and lessons learned from the field. Until next time.